What if I told you that you can start making money tomorrow with only your laptop without even leaving your bedroom? This is the concept behind dropshipping. If you're seeking an online business opportunity that doesn't require a lot of time and money, dropshipping might be the perfect option for you. Dropshipping is an online business model that can generate high returns for the aspiring e-commerce entrepreneur. It's possible to start dropshipping with a small amount of startup capital and some sweet equity. Once you begin to see success, you can scale by allocating more resources to advertising and brand building. But how does dropshipping work? Why should you go for this model to realize your entrepreneurial dream? Before we get any further, it's important that you have an answer to the question, what is dropshipping? And of course, if you like this video, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel, and welcome back to the Wealth HQ. Dropshipping is a type of retail fulfillment method for online stores, where instead of warehousing inventory, merchants purchase products from third-party suppliers as customers make orders. The products are then shipped directly to the customer. This way, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. Does it sound familiar? For the retail store manager, when it comes to shipping and order fulfillment, this is a mostly hands-off process. The merchant doesn't have to stock products, order inventory in bulk, or physically fulfill the orders in any way. Instead, the third-party supplier will ship the products on the merchant's behalf. Dropshipping is great for entrepreneurs because running a store doesn't demand as much operational capital as the traditional business model. You don't have to open a brick and mortar store, hire employees, keep the lights on, pay overhead, or stock products. Instead, you open an online storefront and buy wholesale from suppliers who already have products and warehouse space. So what are the benefits of dropshipping? A dropshipping business is easy to set up. You don't need prior business experience to get started with dropshipping. If you take some time to learn the basics, you can launch a business quickly and learn the rest as you go. It's easy to start a dropshipping business because startup costs are low, especially when compared to other types of retail business models. For instance, you don't need a warehouse to store products or a team to help you out. You also don't have to worry about stocking or shipping either. It's surprisingly hands-off, especially once you get going. All of this means that you can start your business today. In fact, you can get everything up and running within a matter of hours. You will need some foundational knowledge and the right tools and resources, and that's why we created this guide. By the time you've finished it, you'll be equipped with the knowledge you need to jumpstart your own dropshipping business. Dropshipping is scalable. As you scale up, your business model doesn't have to change very much at all. You have to put more work into sales and marketing as you grow, but your day-to-day will stay more or less the same aside from processing more orders. One of the benefits of dropshipping is that the infrastructure costs don't skyrocket when you scale. Because of this, you're left with more to allocate to the marketing side of your business. The more you focus on promoting your business and delivering great customer experience, the better off you'll be. Dropshipping doesn't require an office. You can run an entire business right from your laptop, and you don't need to make any high-level investments. Your largest expense will be advertising, which is a budget you can scale as your store gains more traction. Even as your business grows, your costs will be fairly low, especially when compared to traditional business expenses. Dropshipping is flexible. This is one of its biggest benefits. You get to be your own boss and set your own rules. It's by far one of the most flexible careers that anyone can pursue. You can work from home with little more than a laptop, and you can work at the times that are most convenient for you. This is ideal for entrepreneurs who want a business that works for them. You won't have to bend over backward to get things done. Instead, you set your own pace. Dropshipping is also flexible in that it gives you a lot of room to make decisions that work for you. You can easily list new products whenever you want, and you can adjust your strategies on the fly. If you're going on vacation, you can automate everything that generates passive income while you're away. You get the idea. The possibilities are limitless. Dropshipping is simpler to manage. Since it doesn't require you to make too many commitments like hiring staff or renting warehouse space, you can manage everything with little hassle. Once you've found suppliers and set everything up, for the most part, you're only responsible for managing your online storefront. So why not give it a try? Start a dropshipping store today and you could be making money this week. And that's it. If you would like a video on how to do this, let us know in the comments, and as always, the sky is the limit. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. This has been the Wealth HQ. See you in the next video.